Ulampang ka Iing Dorbar thawain ka jalau Thomas de sangma menta kasi ka arphoterik bana yayong ulapnya ya ka jalang jong ka hai power committee halo ka benta bantai thama ya ka office jong ka assembly building ka badan hamoding diang hagani ka jelang lawan bani simenta do muntirang ba ka jalau konrad ke sangma usumbut lampang ka Iing Dorbar thawain u Timothy di Shira ba kentup langru ike male ba Charles Pongro ba Lakman Rumboi ba bantai do lingdo nolor chief secretary ba DPU alang U Commissioner and Secretary ka Meghalaya Assembly Dr. Andrew Simon Lembat ki he officer sarkar hadien ke jelang lampang ke Iing Dorbar u Thomas sangma habai kren mat kilat pthai khubor ula pentep bah ka jikendo jong ka HPC kalong ban ai ka jingmynjur nak banta ka design bathamai jong dom bat kumjuru ban ai ka jingmynjur hak bai de bat kalyang jong ka pisa halo ka tika kam
high power committee meeting we decide on the since we have got the approval from the approval vetted by Guwahati IIT, which was earlier approved by IIT Roorkee. So now the design structure has been approved by both the premier IITs. So the work can resume now. So the SPC sat down to approve, give the administrative approval, and also there were some financial approvals also were required because since the scope of work has also been increased. So these are the few things that we have made decisions. No, it's additional amount, not much, but as you see there certain, the scope of work has increased. Because of that, the revision was required. So that has also been approved. So the work can proceed now. And we have also complied with all the observations made by Guwahati IIT upon the collapse of the dome. So certain observation were made by the kind of who had also examined the and tried to find out the reasons for the collapse of the dome. So we have complied with all their observations. Now we have appointed also, we will be appointing a PMC, Program Monitoring Committee. So that's also been done as required, as observed by the Guwahati IIT. Debris is being removed, so the work will start, and the left wing, right wing buildings are also, the work has not stopped, but for we have to engage laborers from outside. So this is a Eid time. Maybe after Eid, right after Eid, the work will resume full swing. But even now also the work is not left. There are some laborers, but as you can see, most of the skilled laborers are from the Muslim background, so they are having celebrating Eid. So we have to give them time to celebrate Eid. We have also instructed the PWD to and the PMC to go for. We will simultaneously we will also have a look at the second phase. So we will try to finish the second phase, because if we complete the assembly by next year, within a year, then everything has to shift there, all the establishments. But without any infrastructure available there, so we have decided to also simultaneously go for the second phase. Ongoing is from the state budget only. How much? It will be, I think it is gone up to 200 plus. So 177 have already spent. So maybe another 250, or maybe another 80 crores.